Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to check your sales on the StockX app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the StockX app, then go to your profile, which is in the bottom right corner, and here you will see that there is the selling icon. And if you tap on it, here you will see the listing of your current sales, all the sales that are going through right now. Here are the pending sales, which are, as it says, as that have been accepted and which are still in process. Pending sales will show up here. And here are the history. It looks like you haven't sold anything yet, so yeah, I haven't sold on this profile of StockX, but you can see that here would be listed all the sales. Here in the bottom right corner, the sale prices and the number of sales in the middle. And also to see your selling level, you have to tap on the seller level in the top right corner, and you will see that there are different levels, and the higher your level on the side, the lower the seller fee is going to be. On the first level, as you can see, the seller fee is 10%, but if you go higher, you can have smaller fees and obviously earn more. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.